Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I got a question today, how exactly to enable Chatbot Extensions, which is a new feature added to Aimogen's chatbot when the chatbot is embedded on other websites using the remote website embedding feature of Aimogen's chatbot. So let me show you this in this tutorial video. For this, I enabled the chatbot embedding remote sites feature, and if I would use this code on other websites, I would embed exactly this chatbot on remote websites. But when I want to enable the extensions feature for this chatbot, how do I proceed? So in this case, let me show you. You will need to go to pages, because when you enable the enable chatbot embedding on remote websites checkbox, the Aimogen plugin creates a page for you, chatbot embedding page, and here you will be able to edit the shortcode which will be provided on remote sites. So on remote sites, this shortcode will be provided, and editing this, you will be able to do the changes. So to make the edits, you can use the custom chatbot builder, for example. And here, if you search for God mode or extensions, you can see that you can set it to enabled, and if you search for God mode, you can see that there is actually a enable underscore God underscore mode equals enabled parameter in the chatbot shortcode, which can be used to enable the God mode or the extensions. So you can remove other parameters if you wish, or you can keep them to customize the plugin further. But in this video, I want to show you only how to enable the extensions functionality. So I remove all other parameters. So I keep only enable God mode enabled, and this will enable the extensions feature for the remote chatbot. So don't forget to update the page that you edited, and here you will be able to also enable extensions for the remotely added chatbot. So the chatbot which is remotely available using iframe, you will be able to enable the extensions feature for it if you add this parameter to this shortcode on the chatbot embedding page which is created on your site. Also, don't forget to enable the extensions which you actually need in the chatbot, because if you leave all these checkboxes unchecked, then the extensions will not be active. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorial videos. This is all for today. I hope you also like, share, subscribe, as it really helps me go forward. Thanks for watching until then. This is all. Bye bye.